Good morning. I am Dr. Manju Sharma and I have been teaching languages, English across different stages and different curricula. The essay Spearheading the Globalizing Educational Scenario as an Effective Teacher is part of the assessment of Module 1 What It Means to Be a Teacher of the Aditya Birla Education Academy Postgraduate Diploma in Global Education that is being currently pursued by me. The essay aims at exploring and understanding the intellectual, emotional, social skills that comprise an effective teacher in the contemporary global context. The understanding of being an effective teacher empowers a teacher to carry out his roles, responsibilities meaningfully in his school or any international school. This essay encompasses the multifaceted dimensions of the job that a teacher performs apart from the explicitly roles that have been stated by the state and the national curricula. The intrinsic values like love, compassion, empathy go a long way in making an impact on the society and humanity. The harmonious blending of the two makes a teacher empowered to carry out his roles and responsibilities in a school or in a global context. Thank you very much. A teacher is a sculptor of destiny, of an individual, of society, of the nation, of the world and humanity by and large. His classroom is a microcosm where destiny takes shape, the destiny that is humane in nature. He is an assessor and transformer too. He assesses and upgrades and transforms the behavioral, intellectual, emotional aspects of a student. He is a systematic planner. He plans, designs, implements, and integrates assessment with a competency-based education. He is an open source of information too. He educates. He can be a sports coach, a versatile dance teacher who motivates and inspires a student to create a beautiful dance from performance, or she may be an arts teacher who gives shape to the student's imagination and abstract thinking in the form of beautiful paintings. A teacher is a student's role model. His pleasant mannerisms, insightful thinking, creativity, and a display of socially ethical behavior is a great inspiration and a blender of harmonious concepts in the mind and the society. He's a compassionate friend too. He can be a mentor. He provides emotional support. He also enhances the emotional quotient of his students through making them aware of their emotions, channelizing their emotions, and using their emotions in a constructive way. He is an updated resource bank. This training session has enhanced my learning of IT skills and updated me as a resource for my students. The Google Jamboards, the Git mind maps, the continuous discussions, all this goes into an effective pedagogy to be employed in the current classrooms and also forms part of the continuous professional development that a teacher should always engage in order to enhance his efficacy in his job scenario, in his school, in the global context. The National Education Policy 2020 deals with holistic, integrated, enjoyable, engaging learning pedagogy to be integrated in the school curriculum at all stages and across all subjects. Holistic education is aimed at developing intellectual, emotional, social, and physical aspects of personality integrated through multidisciplinary approach. The early years of education are the 5 years of the foundation stage. It would employ the playway methods, discovery-based learning and activity-based learning. Next 3 years of pre-preparatory stage would incorporate the light textbooks as well as interactive classroom learning, solid ground for working across subjects including reading, writing, speaking, physical education, art, languages, science, and mathematics. Emphasis would be laid on the learning of numerical abilities and reading of languages, including a foreign language, that is English, and a language that is the national language. Now, as a curricular style of learning, in the middle stage, it would enhance critical thinking, collaborative work, communication, creativity, logical reasoning, and develop a scientific temper in students by following the project-based learning methodology. The project-based learning methodology would be followed in the 4 years of learning at school, that is from grades 9 to 12. It would be multidisciplinary approach and art integrated learning. The integration of the performing arts and the visual arts would enhance a seamless understanding and concept building across different learning, different subjects. Also, the project-based learning, multidisciplinary learning, integration of art in learning and multilingualism is going to be assessed on the different competencies of the student. Overall, at the school level, the education would be transformed to a competency-based education, thereby metamorphosing the entire education scenario in India, and it would be a paradigm shift and connect well the Indian student to the global context.